So the toaster oven finally died and we need a replacement. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. And we've had this toaster oven for maybe 8 years, and we would have kept it longer if it would have lasted longer. First of all, the squeaky door, but that's fine. But it's this weird element at the bottom that has grown and stretched and warped into something not right. If you can see the element at the back, that's what it's supposed to look like. So it's gotten to the point where this tray that can go on the top or the bottom, like no longer can go on the bottom. So it's become unsafe, and we decided we needed something new.
Yeah, we had no idea why it's deformed so badly. It's really weird. If anyone knows why, leave it in the comments below.
Look at this, all shiny and new. I'm super excited. Oh, by the way, this is not a sponsored post by KitchenAid. They did not send us this toaster oven. We paid for it with our hard-earned cash. But KitchenAid, if you're watching and you want to sponsor me, hit me up. And are you all psychic? I just got a comment this week that asked, you mentioned that you would prefer a bigger air fryer. What size would you recommend? Well, let me tell you. I decided to go with an air fryer toaster oven because, as you've heard in many of my air fryer videos, that I wish I had bought something bigger. So this toaster oven actually has a air fry mode. So I'm super excited about that. I'm also actually super excited about this dehydrate mode.
I had no idea.
I know.
How many features can they pack in one of these appliances?
I don't know, but I do need it to toast bread in the morning.
It better do that well.
And my daughter is actually looking forward to using it so that she can make cookies and brownies without heating up the whole house by turning on the oven. To live out simple, ordinary, and joyful, we really do try to be good stewards of what we've been given and only purchase things that we absolutely need. And so we needed a new toaster oven, and I needed something bigger to air fry for the family. This was just right time and right price because I got it at Costco, and it was much cheaper than getting it online elsewhere. This is not an in-depth review of the KitchenAid toaster oven slash air fryer, but I did want to show you what it came with. So it does come with a removable crumb tray and the rack. It also comes with a air fryer basket, which I am super excited about. This is actually like twice the size of my Philips air fryer basket. And it also comes with a enamel tray and a rack. So I'm totally looking forward to cooking in this, especially for my air fryer recipes, but I will be using it almost daily for toast, which I'm excited about, without having to burn my toast due to that like whacked out element in the old toaster oven. And if you guys want to see a showdown between this air fryer versus my Philips air fryer, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see. For more air fryer type recipes, check it out. I will see you over there.